Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm showing you how to quickly and easily edit your sidebar in WordPress 2025, even if you're still using a classic theme that relies on widgets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence to customize your sidebar so it perfectly fits your site's style. Whether you want to add contact info, social icons, recent posts, or something unique. Let's dive right in. Now, if your WordPress theme hasn't fully switched over to the block-based site editor yet, don't worry, you'll be working with the trusted widget interface, which now supports the same flexible blocks available elsewhere in WordPress. Think of widgets as little building blocks for your site's sidebar. They let you add all kinds of functionality and content without touching a single line of code. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From the menu on the left, look for Appearance and then click on Widgets. This is where all the magic happens. If you haven't been here in a while, you might notice it looks a bit different. WordPress has improved the interface. So now you have way more control and options thanks to the new block-based system. Once you're on the Widgets page, you'll see different sections for your widget areas. Since we're focusing on the sidebar, look for something labeled Main Sidebar or maybe Right Sidebar. Depending on your theme, go ahead and click the toggle or arrow to expand this section. If you don't see your sidebar listed, double-check your theme's documentation. Some themes use different names, but most call it simply Sidebar. Inside the sidebar area, you'll see the blocks you currently have, maybe a search bar, categories, recent posts, or something similar. Here's where the real editing happens. To rearrange these blocks, just click and drag them up or down. For example, if you want your search box to appear at the very top, simply move it to the top of the list. Drag and drop makes it easy to reorder things and get the layout just right. To add something new, look for the plus icon within the sidebar area, give it a click. Now you've got access to all sorts of blocks, images, custom HTML links, social icons, and much more. For instance, if you want to showcase your Instagram feed or add a newsletter sign-up form, just browse through the available blocks and add them directly to your sidebar. Don't be afraid to experiment. If something doesn't look quite how you expected, you can always remove or rearrange it. Once you're happy with your sidebar edits, it's time to save. Find the blue Update button in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click it. Saving regularly is a good habit, just in case you accidentally refresh the page or close your browser. Before you're done, take a look at your live site and admire your changes. Sometimes it helps to open your site in another browser tab so you can instantly see how your new sidebar looks to visitors. If something seems off, jump back into Widgets and tweak your blocks until you're satisfied. And that's it, you've mastered sidebar editing in WordPress 2025 using classic theme widgets. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. And let me know if you have any questions or want tips on other WordPress features in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fast, easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.